Namaskaram friends. Today we are going to talk about Rahu Ketu transit, which is going to happen in the month of September 2020. First of all, I would like to give you some generic details about Rahu and Ketu and the transit. Rahu and Ketu are Molficious planets and they are snake planets, as we all know. And these people will not move in forward direction. So as per Vedic astrology, rest of the other 7 planets will be moving in clockwise direction. But however, Rahu and Ketu will be moving in the anti-clockwise direction. And this transit happens every 1.5 years once. So now September 2020, this transit is going to happen. And in this audio and the coming audios, we are going to see Rasi by Rasi what are the pros and cons that Rahu and Ketu is going to bring for every Rasi individually. And per Vedic astrology, and I follow South Indian method, for that we use 2 Panjangas. One is Vakya Panjanga, another one is Tirukanida Panjanga. Per Vakya Panjanga, the Rahu Ketu transit is happening on September 1st, 2020, and per Tirukanida Panjanga, this transit is happening on September 23rd, 2020. And Rahu and Ketu, as I told you, they are going to move in reverse direction. So right now the Rahu's position is in Gemini Rasi, which is the 3rd Rasi on the Rasi chart, and he is going to move backwards to Taurus Rasi. That is the place 2nd. So he is going to move from 3rd place to 2nd place. Same way, he is going to, since Rahu is in 3rd to 2nd place, obviously his actions will be followed by Ketu. So Ketu is already in Sagittarius Rasi and he will be moving to Scorpio Rasi. That is from place 9 to place 8. So this is the position they are going to take on September 2020, and we are going to see the pros and cons for all the Rasis one by one. Let us see the prediction now. We are going to see Leo Rasi's Rahu Ketu transit. Now, during this transit, Rahu is going to come in the 10th position and Ketu is going to come in the 4th position. As per Vedic astrology, these positions are very, very, very lucky and auspicious positions. Especially, let's say, for one's personal horoscope, the 10th position, if it is already occupied Rahu, then those people are going to have tremendous success, tremendous turning point in their life. Especially this transit is going to make the native, or it's going to make you, the Leo Rasi people, very energetic, and it's going to give all success in whatever they do. And it also going to give lots of money and tremendous growth. Whatever they wished, they are going to get it immediately. Like, let's say if some people can get in 10 days, these people are going to get in 2-3 days. That is the speed of the transit that is going to benefit these natives, and it's going to produce good thoughts in them. Whatever negative thoughts they had, there were small fears within them, those things are going to go away and they are going to be blessed with good thought process. And if these natives want to start any side business, definitely this is the right time, because all the Leo people usually they want to do multiple business, like one in mainstream and few in side, and they want to earn money in lots of other ways because their thinking is always creative and they want to achieve always great success. So to do this, they will all obviously try different methods to gain success and money. So in that event, if anybody is planning to start a side business, or they are already running a side business, definitely this is the right time for you to produce more profit and result out of this. And 10th position, Rahu, is definitely going to help the natives to destroy enemies along with the sixth house Sunny. So the Rahu and Ketu along with sixth house Sunny is going to help these natives to destroy their enemies. Till now they would have had so many enemies, unknown enemies. The people who are around them, near them only, they will be thinking bad for them. But these people are going to win all of them and destroy them during this period. And during this transit, the natives are going to be blessed with very good health as well. However, on the other side, they need to be little careful about heat related problems, because the body might get affected towards all kind of heat related issues like heat boils, stomach pain, back pain. Sometimes even very tired, they may feel very tired. All those things may come. However, there is no major issue for health, but you need to be little careful. And also, this 10th house Rahu and Ketu, 4th house Ketu is going to make the Leo Rasi people very lucky by giving all the Saubhagyam whatever they need in their life, especially in regards to property. If they want to buy any asset or house, this is the right time. Everything going to fall in the right place for them, and their relationship with the siblings is also going to enhance, and people are going to understand the natives very better. And this is a right time for everything that you can just enjoy, cherish, earn money, success, fame, name. This is a right time for all these things to be achieved by you. So do not even worry. The only stuff you need to think about or be careful about is your health, especially heat related problems. Other than that, there is nothing to be worried, friends. With this note, I'm going to finish this audio. If you have any questions or doubt, you can always leave me a comment. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share, and also leave your comments and subscribe as well. And in case if you need any personal predictions or horoscope related queries, you can always contact me in my WhatsApp number or email me as well. With this note, is Minnie signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.